joint pain can sneak into your life quietly and relentlessly, making one simple movements like walking, standing, or even reaching out feel like a painful struggle. Whether it's due to arthritis, old injuries, age-related wear and tear, or inflammation from overuse, the discomfort can be exhausting and at times unbearable. But what if there was a natural oil that could melt that pain almost instantly? No chemicals, no pills, just relief, fast, simple, and safe. You see, while many people turn to expensive medications, nature has already gifted us a powerful solution. Peppermint oil. Yes, peppermint essential oil is not just for headaches or sore muscles. It's actually one of the most effective, science-backed remedies for joint pain. The cooling menthol compounds in peppermint oil deliver a powerful anesthetic effect, instantly soothing inflamed tissues and dulling pain signals to the brain. That icy hot sensation? It's not just a feeling. It's a signal that blood flow is improving and inflammation is going down. What makes peppermint oil truly remarkable is how fast it works. Just a few drops, diluted in a quality carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, and massaged directly onto the affected joints can provide immediate, tingly relief. And the best part? It's extremely easy to use. No complicated procedures, no side effects, just natural targeted comfort. For best results, apply it 2 to 3 times a day, especially after a warm shower when your pores are open. Follow it with a warm compress for even deeper penetration. Over time, this simple ritual doesn't just reduce pain. It actually supports joint function and improves flexibility. And if you really want to supercharge your pain relief, try combining peppermint oil with a few drops of eucalyptus oil or lavender oil. Both are anti-inflammatory and calming to the nervous system. Together, they work in synergy to reduce swelling, ease stiffness, and even help you sleep better at night. Peppermint oil also has mild muscle relaxing properties, which is especially helpful for those whose joint pain is linked to tension or spasms around the affected area. Now here's something even more interesting. Peppermint oil's benefits aren't just limited to external use. In small, food-grade quantities, it can support digestion and reduce systemic inflammation from within, which in turn helps reduce joint pain over the long term. But remember, internal use should only be done with oils labeled specifically as safe for ingestion and under the guidance of a qualified health professional. That said, even sticking to external application alone has delivered stunning results for many arthritis sufferers who were desperate for fast relief without the side effects of traditional drugs. And for those who find peppermint too intense or have skin sensitivity, there are gentler yet still effective alternatives like chamomile oil, frankincense oil, or even ginger oil, which also offers warming, anti-inflammatory benefits. But when it comes to that instant kick of relief, peppermint oil remains unmatched. It's nature's icy answer to hot, swollen, aching joints. Whether it's your knees, shoulders, fingers, or hips, this simple, powerful oil could be the key to finally moving freely again. So if you're tired of waking up stiff, moving slowly, or relying on pills that barely scratch the surface of your pain, try this. Just a small bottle of peppermint oil, a little carrier oil, and your own hands. That's all it takes to start turning the tide against joint pain. Naturally, quickly, and without the baggage of chemicals.